my duty to entertain them. I am the most talented after all.
Oh, you are impossible.
And how are you going to do that?
But I'm going to sing for them, of course. Don't you want to hear my beautiful voice?
You can't sing.
Of course I can. Just listen. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain.
And you call that singing?
Well, yes. You think you can do better than that?
That's not hard. Let me just show you what entertaining an audience means. Hey there! Where are you from? Malaysia? Wow! Okay, let's try a little something. And I want to hear everybody sing. Di mana dia, anak kambing saya, anak kambing saya yang makan daun talas. Di mana dia, buah hati saya, buah hati saya bagai telur dikupas. Jan maricai, jan maricai, jan maricai ketimbun payung. Jan maricai, jan maricai, jan maricai ketimbun payung.
Ali, don't you want to sing something for them? No?
You're so shy.
Okay, well, it's my turn then.
And what will you be singing?
I know a nice one. If you know this one, sing along.
This one. 左手锣，右手鼓，手拿着锣鼓来唱歌。别的歌儿我也不会唱，只会唱一首凤阳歌。凤阳歌儿哎哎呀，嘚儿啷当飘一飘，嘚儿啷当飘一飘，嘚儿飘。嘚儿飘，嘚儿飘飘一嘚儿飘飘飘一飘。Lee, come on, give it a try.
Lee? He's off dreaming.
Let me try another song. I know he likes it.
Okay, but you'll have to sing with us.
Singapura, oh Singapura, sunny island sets in the sea. Singapura, oh Singapura. Pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Come along, join the song in merry singing. Blend our voices, join in the chorus. Singapura, oh Singapura. Pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Singapura, oh Singapura. Pretty flowers bloom for you and me. She was there, above the village. She was asleep.
But why? And how?
Please come back. Where have you gone?
What is he doing? Lee, come back.
Yeah, come back.
Is it
Me you're looking for?
No, I'm looking for an angel.
Oh, then it's me.
No, she's a beautiful girl